All right, y'all, so I'm going to start by showing you the ZSR library catalog. The first thing that you'll need to do is go to the ZSR website, which is zsr.wfu.edu. And underneath this main search box, you'll see a little link that says catalog. Now, I've already signed in up here, but if you haven't signed in, you'll want to go ahead and sign in because that will give you sort of the full range of options that you need. And then when you go into search, there's really going to be kind of two different options. You're either going to be able to search everything at ZSR Library, or you're going to be able to search just the library catalog. Today, I want you just searching the catalog. The catalog is going to search our book collection, but also anything physically in the library. So that might include our DVD collection, our maps collection. It's also going to include our ebooks, and we actually spend more money on ebooks than we do on print books and have for many years. The one thing that the library catalog is not going to search is our journal articles. So this is not the place to look for scholarly journal articles. You would want to use our databases for that. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a book that I'm interested in reading. And you're going to see that it's going to give me the option to search everything or the library catalog. So since I know that it's a book and I really just want to look at books, I'm going to click library catalog. And it's going to pull up the book that I want for me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And it's just going to tell me some information that I need to know. So right now, this book is available through the library, and it's going to give me the location of the book. So this one is in the ZSR Library atrium. So this one actually isn't in the stacks. We do have several floors of stacks, but this one is not in the stacks. And then it's also going to give me the call number, and we're going to talk about how to read the call numbers later. But some information here that might be helpful to you in addition to the location and the call number is going to be the subject headings. And these are all Library of Congress subject headings. And these are basically kind of like tags. So the Library of Congress, they actually go through and assign subject tags for each book. And so if you're interested in this particular topic, it will take you to other books on similar topics. It's a good way to sort of expand the results of your research. The other way to do that is it will also show you the books next door to this book physically in the stacks. Books that are about similar topics will be next to each other, and so it's actually going to show you what other books might be next to this one. So I'm going to scroll back up, and I think we're going to be done with print books for now. And I'm going to switch to ebooks. And so what I would probably actually recommend that you do is you could even click this button that says available online. And it's going to give you just our ebook collection. I'm going to go ahead and click on this first one, and pretty much the same thing. So it's going to give you the subject headings down here. It's going to show you books that are similar and that would be next door to this. But if you want to access this ebook, you need to click under here where it says full text availability. It doesn't really matter which one of these you click on. It will ask you to authenticate that you are affiliated with Wake Forest University. It does this to me because I open our ebooks a lot. I probably need to clear my cookies, but I'm going to just refresh my page and it will be fine. And then now I just need to read the book online. And so the book has popped up for me. Now these are not quite like the ebooks that you would read through your public library, or if you bought an ebook on Kindle. Pretty different. They're just kind of large PDFs. And so if you want to search within the book, you need to go over to the side and search in this book. There's also a table of contents, and then most books also include an index in the back. Which will be kind of just a list of topics and what pages they're covered on in the book. So there's multiple ways to navigate the book, but it's really helpful, I think, to search within the book for words that you're looking for or to use the index. And that is pretty much the library catalog. You can come over here on the side and add in more filters if you're interested in doing that. There's also an advanced search, and this would help you if you wanted to search just the title of a book or just a specific author. And so don't forget about that if you need that as well.